Tired of those sky-high Ethereum gas fees? Let's bridge your assets over to the Binance Smart Chain, where transactions are faster and cheaper. First, we'll use a cross-chain bridge. Head over to bridge.binance.org, or another bridge like multi-chain. Connect your Ethereum wallet, like MetaMask, and your Binance Smart Chain wallet. Make sure you're on the Ethereum mainnet in your MetaMask. Now, select the token you want to transfer, and enter the amount. Double-check that the receiving Binance Smart Chain address matches your BSC wallet address. Review the transaction details carefully, including the estimated fees and the amount you'll receive on BSC. Click the Transfer or Bridge button and confirm the transaction in your Ethereum wallet. Another option is using a centralized exchange. Deposit your Ethereum-based tokens onto an exchange like Binance, then withdraw those tokens, selecting the Binance Smart Chain as the network. Pay close attention here. Choosing the wrong network can result in lost funds. Ensure you select BEP20, which is Binance Smart Chain's token standard. For the withdrawal again, double-check your receiving BSC address. Once the transaction is confirmed, your tokens will appear in your Binance Smart Chain wallet. Now you can enjoy those lower fees and faster transactions on the BSC network.